Hi, my name is Luis Hess. I am an immigration attorney here in the greater Houston area with offices in the Woodlands, Houston Heights, and Guadalajara, Mexico. And the reason I'm here today is to describe a little bit about the VAWA process and how certain individuals can obtain legal status without having to leave the United States. So VAWA refers to the Violence Against Women Act, which is a federal law that says that if you are a foreign national married to an American or even a green card holder, and are in some type of abusive relationship, you don't have to stay in that relationship in order to maintain or even get legal permanent residency here in the United States. Now, there are several steps that have to be followed in order to meet this requirement. One, clearly you must be married to a US citizen or legal permanent resident. Two, you must have entered that marriage in good faith. Three, there must be some type of abuse. Now, the abuse itself doesn't necessarily mean physical. Doesn't necessarily mean that you've called the cops. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have some type of physical markings on your body. The abuse itself can be emotional, can be financial. For instance, something that has happened with clients of mine is that their spouse, the U.S. citizen, has threatened to refer them to immigration and have them deported from the United States if they don't follow, if they don't do whatever the U.S. citizen, tells them to do. So that's a form of abuse. And finally, the person must have good moral character. That is, that this person is not someone who has a criminal history, is not using drugs, not using illegal gambling, is not doing something that would be considered immoral. So long as a person meets all these requirements, and even if they enter the country without permission, there is an opportunity, there is a way in which they can obtain legal status and in the future obtain permanent residency. Don't let the title Violence Against Women Act throw you off. The fact of the matter is, this act is intended for both men and women, for non-binary individuals, for individuals in a same-sex marriage. The fact of the matter is that this act is intended to help individuals escape an abusive relationship. And even if you've been divorced for less than 2 years or have only a common law marriage, you can still qualify for the specific immigration benefit and obtain legal status without having to leave the United States, irrespective if you've entered the country legally or without permission and have committed minor crimes, such as misdemeanors. The fact of the matter is, VAWA is a complicated application process. It might sound simple, but when you get into the process of gathering the information, it becomes quite complicated and complex very quickly. If you have questions about whether you can apply for this type of benefit or want to learn more, please give us a call at 281-205-8540. And again, any type of information that you share with us will remain private and confidential.